Welcome to this crisp tutorial which will help you gain access to Acumen's community and all the resources. In our community, you will find leaders working on issues of poverty and injustice from across India and the globe. We have about 140 plus change makers in India and 900 plus around the world. This community demonstrates a huge potential to unlock key resources, collaborations, and partnerships to amplify the impact of the work we all do. And this lifelong community is called the Foundry. Let's see how we can leverage the Foundry. Broadly, the community is on 3 platforms: Google Groups, WhatsApp, and Slack. Let's quickly get into the use cases of these platforms. There are 3 Google Groups. You must be part of the cohort group, where you can share cohort memories, organize cohort spaces. The India Foundry Google Group is new. It has 140 plus members, and you can exchange India-specific opportunities and learnings. You can also reach out for resources and networks. Acumen Academy will also be sending periodic newsletters and updates through this channel. This group is for fellows, bootcamp alumni, and for anyone who is on the path of moral leadership through our potential programs launching in the future. The Global Community group has 900 plus Acumen fellows. Usually the exchange of opportunities and learnings on this group are relevant to a global audience. You can call out for cross-country ideation or collaboration. You will receive globally relevant opportunities via this group. This group is exclusively for regional and global fellows. Let's see how we can gain access to these groups. You must already be part of the cohort Google Groups. On the India Foundry group, we have added everyone who have completed their fellowship or bootcamp. In case you are on the incoming cohort, you can add yourself by clicking on the link provided here. We have also added all fellows to the Global Community Google Group. Contact us in case you aren't already on the group. Similar to the Google Groups, there are WhatsApp group for the cohort, for Acumen India Foundry members, and an additional group called the Mothership. The cohort WhatsApp groups have played a key role for cohorts to spur discussions and debates and do regular check-ins with people who you have been a co-passenger with at an Acumen program, like the fellowship or the bootcamp. The Acumen India Foundry WhatsApp group is built on the community to update one another on learnings and events in their organizations and share any asks or share any resources. Acumen will formally be sharing updates, events, and reminders through this group. We refrain from spurring dialogues or debates on this group, making it exclusively for quick updates and exchange of resources. Oh, by this, we don't mean to discourage you from spurring debates and dialogues. We encourage you to use the other platforms. The Acumen India Fellows are part of something called the Mothership WhatsApp group, which is owned and led by the community of fellows. Here is where debates, opinions, conversations are encouraged. In the past, we have seen debates around systemic policies, dialogues around current leadership challenges, which have been discussed at length. This group is, however, exclusively for the India Fellows and is also led by the fellows themselves. How do you gain access to these groups? You must already be part of the cohort WhatsApp group. So now, can you do a quick check if you are already a part of the AI of WhatsApp group? In case you aren't part of the Acumen India Foundry WhatsApp group, you can join via this link. Lastly, the Mothership is a community built and led by the Acumen India Fellows. If you are an India Fellow and want to join this group, let us know. Lastly, Slack. To connect you with the Acumen Academy's global ecosystem, we invite you to join the Slack space for all changemakers who are part of the Foundry. Membership is made up of Acumen Fellows and alumni from Acumen Academy's Selective Accelerator and Bootcamp programs. This is the one space where most of the global community connects and curated opportunities for change leaders are offered here. You can join live events every quarter to experience Acumen's leadership curriculum, explore a core topic every month through curated resources and a community meetup. You can also participate or lead events or workshops bringing the diversity of voices from across 30 plus countries. How do you join this group? Just 2 simple steps. Complete the form, which is also a link, and follow the steps on your email to gain access to Slack. An additional feature with this form is a member directory which automatically gets built. This is a tool where you can find anyone who is part of this global community. On last note, because we were speaking about resources, here are some rich resources that you should definitely check out. The first one, in headquarters, you will find contact details of all members. You will find course coupon codes and contact information of everyone across the globe. The member directory is an easy hack to find anyone in particular sector, region, or with a particular skill. All the events that are coming up, like a workshop on fundraising or a series of coaching sessions or a member-led discussion, you will find all of this on this event calendar. With the India community map, just have a visual look at the potential of our community, showing the regions where our fellows and bootcamp alumni come from and all the sectors that they are spread across. Lastly is the India Resource Google Drive, where fellows have shared resources around organizational policies and open opportunities. Feel free to add an open source resource from your organization too. We will be sharing this deck along with all the resources and the links that you have seen here. Reach out to me or Abbas in case you have any questions or queries, or if you just want to share your thoughts. Thank you.